Also, the air hose of the electronic gun is not connected. We connect the air hose. Insert this here. Then the other side. We connect to this corresponding position. This can connect up to for corresponding. If there are 3 or 2, then reinsert this one. This area is connected good. And then we attach the electronic guns for star head to the other side of the machine. This is a point of light. Number 1 sensor, number 1 gun, number 2 sensor, number 2 gun, number 3 sensor, number 3 gun, number 4 sensor, number 4 gun. This is encoder. We can connect arbitrarily. For example, we now connect number 1 and lock it. Then connect the sensor to number 1. Lock it tight. This is sensor, this is gun. Then with the hose. These places must be connected to this end of the gun.